Hello children, today we are going to do some word problems related to the topic subtraction. Okay. Here is your first question. A shopkeeper bought 58 books. He sold 29 books within 2 days. How many books are left with him? I repeat, a shopkeeper bought 58 books. He sold 29 books within 2 days. How many books are left with it? Okay. So we can start writing the statements. Number of what is given, children? Number of books are given, isn't it? Number of books are there with the shopkeeper. He bought 58 books. So we can write the first statement. Number of books shopkeeper bought. How many books he bought, children? He bought 58 books. Now, what he did with that books? He sold 29 books. So, in the second statement, what we have to write? Number of what is given, children? Number of books. So, number of books he sold. How many books he sold? 29. Now, what you are asked to find? You are asked to find the books left with him. So, in the last statement, we can write number of books left with him. How will you find the number of books left with him, children? For that, you have to subtract, isn't it? You have to subtract 29 from 58. So, for that, you have to put the subtraction sign also. What is the symbol for subtraction? What is the sign for subtraction? Minus. And where we have to put that? Before the first number or second number? We have to put it before the second number. So, put it here. And one more thing you have to do, write tens place and ones place at the top. So, 2-digit number, so tens place and ones place. Now, we can start subtracting from the ones place. In ones place, we are having 8 and 9. What is 8 minus 9, children? Can you subtract 9 from the number 8? No. So, what we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. In tens place, we are having 5. So, we can take one another color so that it will be more clear for you. So, children, 8 minus 9 is not possible. So, we are going to borrow from the tens place. So, when we are taking 1 from 5, this 5 will become 4 and this will become 18. 8 will become 18. So, 18 minus 9. So, we can start counting after the number 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many fingers are raised, children? 9. So, you have to write here 9. And in tens place, we are having 4 and 2. That is 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? Count after 2. 3, 4. How many fingers are raised? 2. So, you can write 2. So, children, this is our final answer. Number of books left with the shopkeeper is 29. Is it clear? We can discuss one more example today. So, children, question is on the board. There were 230 apples. Out of them, 145 got spoiled. How many apples are good? Okay. So, children, number of what is given? Number of apples is given. How many apples were there at first? 230. How many apples got spoiled? 145 apples got spoiled. Now you are asked to find the number of good apples. Okay, so we can start writing the statements. First statement, number of, what is given, children? Number of apples. How many apples were there at first? There were 230. Now 145 apples got spoiled, isn't it? So again start the second statement with number of spoiled apples. How many apples got spoiled? 145 apples got spoiled. Now what you are asked to find? You are asked to find the number of apples which are good. So as you know, in subtraction all the three statements will start with the word number of. So here also we are starting the last statement with number of, and as I told, you are asked to find the number of good apples. So number of, what you have to write? Number of good apples. How will you find the answer, children? For that also you have to subtract the given numbers, isn't it? So 230 minus 145, and here also we can write hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Since this is a 3-digit number, we are writing hundreds place. Okay. Now as I told you, we can take another color so that it will be more clear for you. Start from the ones place. 0 minus 5. Can you subtract 5 from 0, children? No, we can't subtract 5 from 0. So what you have to do? Borrow from the tens place. So when we are borrowing from the tens place, this 3 will become 2 and 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5, children? Count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers are raised? 5. So you write 5 here. Now in tens place we are having the numbers 2 and 4. Can you subtract 4 from 2? 2 minus 4, is it possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from the hundreds place. So this 2 will become 1 and this 2 will become 12. Okay. So 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. So start counting after 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers are raised, children? 8. So you write 8 here. Now in hundreds place we are having 1 and 1. That is 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. When we subtract a number from itself, answer is 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So children, this was our last question of today's video. I hope everyone understood. So children, when you get the worksheet, do it properly, read the question properly and write the answers correctly. Okay, thank you.